Spotlight, 8 класс, страница 32. Today, vocabulary and speaking. Eating habits 1. Complete with pinch, bar, teaspoon, loaf, slice, liter in the correct form. Then answer the questions about yourself. How many of chocolate do you eat per week? How many of milk do you drink per week? How many of sugar do you take in your tea? Do you add of salt to your salad? How many of cheese do you put in your sandwich? How many of brown bread do you buy a week? Words often confused. Food preparation verbs complete with slice, peel, pour, chop, grate, beat, melt. Can you add more foods, drinks to the list? Cheese, carrots, butter, chocolate, eggs, cream, bread, cake, sauce, coffee, potatoes, bananas, onions, vegetables, bean. Your friend is cooking for her family. Look at the ingredients and find out what she has done so far. Use the verbs in exercise 2A. Omelette ingredients serves from 8 eggs, 1 tablespoon butter, 200 grams cheddar cheese, 1 onion. Have you beaten the eggs? Yes, I have. No, I haven't beaten them yet. 3. Look at the text. What type is it? Use the following words to complete the text. Melt, grate, pinch, chop, slice, teaspoonful. Cheese and ham triangles serves 12. Ingredients: 6 flour tortillas, a large piece of cheese, a packet of ham, a small onion, 1 second of mixed herbs, of salt. Preparation method: preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. The cheese, the ham into thin pieces and up the onions. Place the ham, cheese, and onions on 3 of the tortillas. Sprinkle the salt and herbs over the top. Cover them with the remaining tortillas. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese has begun to cut into triangles and serve immediately. Ordering food and drink. Match the phrases to the pictures, then act out short dialogues. Steamed, fried or grilled, sparkling or still, rare, medium or well done, white or brown, fried, boiled or scrambled. I'd like some bread, please. White or brown? Brown, please. Страница 33. Grammar reference. Nouns singular, plural. Read the theory. Is it the same in your language? Nouns singular, plural. Words that are used only in the plural are tools, instruments, scissors, pliers, scales, etc. Clothing, clothes, jeans, trousers, etc. Other words, goods, stairs, etc. Words that are used only in the singular are luggage, money, information, news, equipment, food, furniture, advice, etc. Games, billiards, dominoes, etc. school subjects, physics, maths, etc. Choose the correct verb form. Check in the grammar reference section when is in use on TV. In 10 minutes. Physics is my favorite subject, really. Mine is maths. £50 is too much to pay for a t-shirt. I know, but I couldn't resist it. These trousers is too tight. Here, try this. These. Our living room furniture is quite shabby. Yes, but it costs a lot of money to replace. My hair is too long. You should have it them cut then. Money don't bring happiness. I couldn't agree more. Idioms 6. Use the idioms in their correct form to complete sentences 1 to 5. Check in Appendix 3. Which idiom does the picture show? What does it really mean? Are there similar idioms in your language? 1 cup of tea, a piece of cake, spill the beans, take everything with a pinch of salt, crying over spilt milk. John really loved the film, but it wasn't mine. Please don't and tell my secret to anyone. The exam was so easy it was. Helen loves telling stories, so you should take everything she says. It's a shame you lost the match, but it's no use listening. Listen to 2 dialogues of people talking about a restaurant they've been to. Which dialogue contains a positive and negative opinion? Look at the phrases below. Which of the 2 dialogues do they belong to? Listen again and say, when we left, I was still hungry. The prices turned out to be reasonable. The waiter mixed up our order. I wouldn't recommend it. There was a really long queue. First of all, there were so many dishes to choose from. They tried to overcharge us. The portions were huge. I was really full when we finished speaking 8 portfolio. Think of the last time you and your family ate out. Use phrases from exercise 7b to describe your visit there to your partner. Record yourselves writing 9 portfolio. Use your answers from exercise 8 to write a short email to your English-speaking pen friend describing a family meal out. 60 to 80 words.